Welcome to the Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit Chapter 86. Installing Elementor plugin. In this video tutorial we are going to take a look at how to install Elementor plugin, step by step. So let's get started. So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and select Add New from here. Then search for Elementor in the search bar. The first result is what we are looking for. It has 5 million plus active installations. Install it from here. This is by elementor.com, then activate it. Now it is saying welcome to Elementor. This is their getting started introduction video. You can watch it or you can go to create your first page button. For now, we will skip it from this close button. So now you can see Elementor in your left panel, which means that we have installed it successfully. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 87. Elementor Editor Overview. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at Elementor Editor, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.